Hi guys, Shara here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I'm gonna share you my 5 favorite plants that you can buy from IKEA. The biggest reason that I like to buy the plant from IKEA, which is they are so affordable, and at the same time they are providing very good quality and plenty of alternative you can choose, so that is really attract me to go to IKEA very often and buy many beautiful plants. So today I want to share you the top 5 plants that you can buy in IKEA. Okay, so let's get started. The plant number 1 that I would like to share you in my list, which is Yucca. I'm sure that some of you guys already know I have plenty of Yucca plants. They are just so affordable and they are so beautiful and very easy care. And I have like at least 5 of them, and all of them I bought in IKEA, and one big giant plant costs about like a 200 to 300 kroner, which is about $20 to $30, which is okay price. It's not very expensive compared to the local nursery shop. Okay, and then another reason that I like Yucca plant, because they are so easy care, very easy to adapt the environment. Even though the Yucca plant is original come from very warm tropical country, they can also be easily adapt in this cold and dark country. That is the reason why I am so in love to have the Yucca plant every corner of my house. The plant number 2 is Monstera Deliciosa. Of course, this is my all-time favorite plant, because they are just so unique and so beautiful, and at the same time it is so easy to care. This plant behind me, it is about 1 year ago, and I noticed when I bought it, it was just about like 9 to 10 leaves, but now they are just so huge and twice as big. They are just so healthy, and leaves are so lush. I didn't do much anything. All I do is just water them once in a while. They prefer medium sunlight, so if you living in cold country, this is perfect plant. And if you live in like a warm country, then remember to keep them where they have a little bit like a medium sunlight, not into the direct sunlight, because they can be burned. If you don't have the Monstera Deliciosa yet, please get definitely one, especially from IKEA. They are just whole healthy plant. Plant number 3 that I want to talk about is giant Strelitiza. Yes, I don't know, I always like huge plant inside my house, and to having that kind of like big giant tropical plant inside your house make me feel like I'm in my hometown in Asia, and I always remember my grandma, she has like bunch of Strelitiza plant corner of our compound. So yeah, it's definitely remind me of my hometown and think of my family. And the Strelitiza leaf, they are very huge and they are very similar to the banana leaves. So it's really I don't know, I just like it. To be honest, the Strelitiza plant is the most expensive plant that I have in the whole entire house. It is about $60. Yes, it is about 600 kroner, very expensive, but I think it is still not very expensive compared to the other local shop, because I have seen it in one local shop. They are selling with like a 2,000 kroner for one big plant, which is about $200. I'm like, oh my god, are you out of your mind? Like, who gonna pay like a 2,000 kroner for one plant, right? The plant number 4 that I want to talk about today is Dracaena massangeana. I'm not sure that I'm pronouncing correctly, but I hope it is. Yes, So this plant is just so cool, and actually I have like 4 different kind of Dracaena in my collection, and I have to say this plant is one of my favorite among this 4 Dracaena, because they have very beautiful variegation version. When you look at the stem, they are very similar to Yucca stem, very thick and straight, and it's just so cool. And in Asia, we believe this plant as a lucky plant, so that is very popular among Asian people. Almost everyone house has this plant, you know. Finally, plant number 5 that I want to share you today, which is Pothos, golden pothos, or devil's ivy. And to be honest, I have never seen very easy care plant in my life as a golden pothos, because they are just incredibly easy. Like, they don't need much sun, they don't need much water, they can be adapted in any kind of environment. You can do whatever you want with it, and they will never die. Yes, how amazing it is. And what are you asking for more? So if you're a beginner, just go with devil's ivy. I am totally definitely recommended this plant, you know. And they are so affordable, and once you got one plant, you can just cut from anywhere of one vein and throw them in the water, and they will just grow the root, and they will be there forever. I think this is the reason why they call devil's ivy, you know. Devils, they never die. Yes, but no, this is beautiful devils. And you can decorate, you know, as a hanging plant or standing plant, or you can decorate them in like a dark corner or bathroom. Yes, where they cannot reach much sunlight. Yeah, pothos fit for like every environment, every corner of your house. So please definitely get one pothos plant in your collection. You know, they will just make you happy. Yes, so this is my 5 favorite plant from IKEA, and that will be also interesting to know your favorite plant. So please leave the comment down below, and I will reach you guys. And I also bought recently a lot of new plant, and I can't wait to share you guys. So please stay tuned for more video, and then see you next time. Bye bye.